Good evening, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. I know many of you are wondering what states are sending out their own stimulus payments to their residents. So in this evening's video, I will be sharing with you a list of states and cities that have passed new stimulus relief bills. I also want to discuss how there are leftover stimulus funds that may be available to you. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
After I graduated college, in the wake of the Great Recession, it was devastating for working families like mine and my family. And after, I worked in a restaurant as a waitress. Every year, when I did my taxes, I saw how much I contributed to Social Security as a waitress, thousands of dollars per year. What we want to do is make Social Security better, to expand it, to cover people like my mom who left her job to care for my dad while he was ill, to raise the age of young people up to the age of 26 so that those kids that are working through college can also get a little bit of that leg up. And we want to do that by asking the wealthy to pay into Social Security the same way that I did when I was a waitress. It's pretty simple. It's pretty basic. And it's a way that we can make our society better by feeling like we are part of a society that cares for each other no matter what. No matter our job, no matter our status, and no matter what happens to us in life. And that, to me, is part of being a wealthy, prosperous, modern, and compassionate society. And I thank Representative Larson for championing this legislation, and to all of our colleagues for ensuring its passage and its continued support. Thank you very much.
Despite a recent dip in prices, the cost of natural gas has soared this year. And as of late September, it was up more than 180% from the previous year. That is putting a lot of people in a tough spot already. And in some parts of our country, the heating season has just begun. But with gas costs being so high, many homeowners will no doubt struggle to keep up with their utility costs. One good news is that the leftover stimulus funds may be made available to offset those higher bills and help many households avoid landing in debt, or worse yet, having their heat cut off. The Biden administration just announced it intends to take funds from the $1.9 trillion stimulus relief bill, which was passed in March, to help Americans cope with rising heating costs. That bill was the same one that sent a third round of direct stimulus checks into Americans' bank accounts, boosted unemployment benefits, and expanded the popular child tax credit. There are specific funds left over from March's relief bill that could be allocated towards helping one with heating costs. This includes $4.5 billion from the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, $21.5 billion from the Emergency Rental Assistance Programs, and $350 billion from the State and Local Recovery Fund. Do you think the Biden administration should allocate more of the funds for another round of stimulus payments? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. That's about a $376 billion pool that lawmakers can tap to help homeowners manage their heating bills at a time when general cost of living seems to be going nowhere but way up. Thanks to rampant inflation, consumers are now spending more money on everyday essentials like groceries, and in the absence of some relief, many risk landing deep in debt. Meanwhile, this winter, heating costs could reach astronomical levels. Households are estimated to spend 54% more for propane, 43% more for heating oil, 30% more for natural gas, and 6% more for electric heating, as per the United States Energy Information Administration. Given these higher costs Americans are dealing with these days, it is much easier to make the argument for a fourth round of stimulus checks. Millions of Americans are anxiously waiting for a fourth stimulus payment to arrive in their bank accounts. So residents in 4 U.S. states may be lucky enough to see a stimulus check in time for their Christmas shopping. State-level stimulus checks are still going out as states try to help their struggling residents before the holidays. Friends, the key word for this video is popcorn. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you click and like my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also comment below the key word from each video. Thank you so much, friends. Some eligible residents reside in Maine, California, Florida, and Maryland. These state stimulus checks are at state level, while Americans continue to wait for checks coming from the federal government. The state of Maine is sending one-time checks worth $285 to over 500,000 of its residents. The first batch was sent out on November 15th, and they will continue to be sent out through the rest of the year. All eligible residents are single filers, earning less than $75,000, and couples who are earning under $150,000 per year. The state of California is also dispersing its second round of Golden State stimulus checks to all eligible residents, as long as their adjusted gross income is between $1 and $75,000 annually, and that they have lived in the state for over 6 months during the 2020 year. The payments are worth $500 to $1,100, depending on if you have dependents. These payments will go through the end of this year until all qualifying residents receive a payment. Then in the state of Maryland, the state's poorest families will be receiving checks worth up to $500, and individuals will receive checks worth up to $300. There are also more tax refunds available at the state level for the next 3 years. Families with 2 children making $25,000 or less could qualify for a refund of $1,100 per year. Then in Florida, they are considering sending $1,000 checks to first responders and teachers. About 175,000 teachers and 3,600 principals would benefit from these payments. So friends, do you agree with me that more states, or all states, should be sending out relief payments to its residents? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well friends, thank you so much for joining me here this Saturday evening. I greatly appreciate all of you who are with me. The 3 winners of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway are Lisa Davis, Lily Greer, and Evelyn Riccardi. Congratulations to all 3 of you. Remember friends, I will be giving away another $100 Walmart gift card next Friday. And if you would like to enter my giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much friends, and have a very blessed weekend.